Hello everyone, how to add serial number in Excel without dragging. So let's start. So here I select the first cell and type here 1, and in second cell is equal to, then select the first cell plus 1 and press enter. Now select the second cell, drag the corner point in below the cell, and you can see the serial number is added. And the second method, select the cell. Use the is equal to, type here sequence function, and here I want the serial number up to 10. So I type here 10 and bracket closed, enter. Here the 10th serial number here, add it. Again I show you is equal to sequence function. Now I type here 100, bracket close and press the enter. You can see the 100 serial number is added in Excel. So that's it. This is a way you can add serial number in Excel without dragging. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.